Is your life just passing by? It's time to wake up, take control, and start living the life you deserve. Let's break free from the routine and make every moment count. Welcome to English Listening Vibes. Do you ever feel like life is slipping by unnoticed? It's time to wake up and start truly living. Join us as we discover how to stop existing and start experiencing life fully. There comes a moment in every life when silence becomes too loud, when you cannot ignore your own thoughts anymore, when distraction stops working, when your phone feels empty, when movies feel boring, when music does not touch your heart like before. That moment is dangerous, not because something bad will happen, but because something real is waking up inside you, your true self. The part of you that is tired of pretending, tired of smiling when you are not okay, tired of saying I am fine when you are breaking. Survival mode teaches you to hide. Hide pain, hide dreams, hide truth. But living demands honesty. Honesty hurts. You must admit, I am lonely. I am scared. I am not happy. I want more. Most people never say these words out loud. They keep them buried, because once you say them, you must face them. And facing is harder than hiding, but hiding slowly kills you, not your body, your soul. You become numb. You stop feeling deep emotions. You stop crying. You stop laughing loudly. You stop caring. That numbness feels safe, but it is not peace. It is protection. Protection from pain, but also from joy. You cannot choose what to feel. If you block pain, you block happiness too. Living means feeling everything, good and bad, love and loss, hope and fear. That is the price of a full life. Many people avoid living because they were hurt before. A broken heart, a failed dream, a betrayal, a big loss. So they close themselves. They say, I will never try again. I will never trust again. I will never dream again. But that is not strength. That is fear wearing armor. Yes, you were hurt, but you are still here, still breathing, still standing. That means you are stronger than your pain. Pain did not kill you. It taught you. It showed you who you are. It showed you what matters. But survival mode turns lessons into walls. You build walls around your heart. No one can hurt me now. But those walls also block love, connection, real relationships. You laugh with people, but they never see the real you. You talk, but you never open up. You stay surrounded, but you feel alone. That is survival loneliness. Living loneliness is different. It is when you choose to be alone to grow, to think, to learn, to understand yourself. Survival loneliness is being with people and still feeling empty. Living loneliness is being alone and feeling full. So ask yourself, are you avoiding people or avoiding yourself? Because sometimes we stay busy to avoid hearing our own thoughts. Work, social media, noise, drama, anything to avoid silence. But silence is where answers live. In silence, you meet yourself. And that meeting is uncomfortable because you see your fears, your regrets, your wasted time, but also your dreams, your potential, your strength. Silence shows you who you really are. That is why survival mode hates silence. It keeps you distracted. Living mode loves silence. It helps you grow. Try something. Sit alone for 10 minutes. No phone, no music, no talking. Just you. Listen to your thoughts. They will be loud at first. They will remind you of mistakes, of people you miss, of dreams you buried. Do not run. Listen. Your mind is not your enemy. It is your guide. It is trying to show you something. Maybe you hate your job. Maybe you feel trapped. Maybe you want to change. That discomfort is your inner voice. Do not silence it. Respect it. Living begins when you listen to yourself, not society, not friends, not fear, yourself. You know what you need. You know what you want. You are just afraid to admit it. Because change means loss. Loss of comfort. Loss of old identity. Loss of people. But growth always requires leaving something behind. You cannot carry your old life into your new future. Something must go. Bad habits, toxic people, limiting beliefs. Survival mode loves familiar pain. Living chooses unknown growth. Familiar pain says, at least I know this hurt. Unknown growth says, I do not know what will happen. Your brain chooses familiar pain. Your soul chooses unknown growth. Which one will you follow? Think about who you are around. Do they inspire you or drain you? Do they dream or complain? Do they grow or stay the same? Your environment shapes you. Survival mode keeps you in the same circles, same talks, same jokes, same problems. Living pushes you to new spaces, new ideas, new people, new energy. You do not need to leave everyone, but you must protect your energy. Stop explaining your dreams to people who only understand comfort. They will call you crazy, unrealistic, childish, but they are just scared. They protect their own survival mode. Your growth threatens their comfort, so they try to pull you back. Not because they hate you, because they fear change. Do not let their fear become yours. You are allowed to want more. You are allowed to change. You are allowed to outgrow people. That is part of life. Not everyone will come with you. And that is okay. Some people are lessons. Some are chapters. Not everyone is the whole story. Living means accepting that. Letting go without anger, without hate, with peace. Survival mode holds on. Living releases. Release guilt. You are not selfish for choosing yourself. You are responsible. If you do not build your life, someone else will use it. For their needs, their dreams, their comfort. Stop shrinking to fit small spaces. You were not born to be small. Your thoughts are big. Your heart is deep. Your future is wide. But you must step into it, one brave choice at a time. Maybe your brave choice is starting that course, sending that message, quitting that habit, joining that gym, writing that page, posting that video. Small actions, big meaning. You do not need approval. You need courage. No one knows your path better than you. Even if you make mistakes, they will be your mistakes. And that is powerful. Living is not about perfect decisions. It is about honest decisions. Decisions that match your heart. Survival mode follows rules. Living follows purpose. Rules say, stay safe. Purpose says, be real. Safety feels good short term. Purpose feels right long term. One day you will grow old. You will sit quietly. And your mind will travel back to this time, to this age. You will remember who you were. What will you say to yourself? I am proud of you. Or, I wish you tried. That future version of you is watching you now. Do not disappoint them. They want to see courage. They want to see growth. They want to see life, not just survival. You have already survived enough. You survived pain. You survived fear. You survived doubt. Now it is time to live. Not loud, not perfect, but real. A life where you choose, a life where you feel, a life where you grow. This moment matters, not because it is special, but because it is now. And now is all you have. Use it. Breathe. Decide. Move. Living is waiting for you. Thank you so much. Stay connected with English Listening Vibes for more videos.